Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a sun visor on a Honda Accord. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal if dealing with lights. Remove screws under the visor cover and gently pry off the plastic trim. Inspect the mounting bracket, clip, and hinge for damage, and clean any dirt before replacing parts or lubricating moving pieces to restore smooth operation. Begin by fully lowering the visor and sliding any plastic covers to expose mounting screws. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove screws while supporting the visor with your free hand so it does not drop. Note the orientation of the clip and hinge for reinstallation, and place fasteners in a small tray. If the visor has wiring for lights, gently disconnect the harness before removing the assembly to avoid damaging connectors or fabric. Assess whether to repair or replace based on damage and cost. If the clip is broken, buy an OEM or good aftermarket clip and swap it out, matching the orientation you noted. For sticky hinges, apply silicone lubricant sparingly to pivot points and cycle the visor to distribute it. If the fabric is torn or foam is degrading, replacing the entire visor assembly or having it roof-ulstered often yields the best long-term result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.